Formal and informal writing styles. Mastering the art of expression. Welcome, language learners. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating world of formal and informal writing styles. Understanding the differences between these two styles is crucial for effective communication in English. So, let's dive in and enhance our reading and writing skills together. Formal writing is used in professional and academic settings. It requires a more structured approach and adherence to specific rules. Key characteristics of formal writing include precise language. Formal writing calls for using clear, concise, and precise language. Avoid slang, contractions, and colloquial expressions. Complete sentences. Formal writing demands complete sentences with proper subject-verb agreement and accurate punctuation. Objective tone. Maintain an objective tone by focusing on facts and avoiding personal opinions or emotions. Third-person point of view. Formal writing typically employs the third-person point of view, avoiding the use of I, you, or we. Formal writing is commonly used in academic essays, business correspondence, reports, and official documents. Mastery of formal writing allows you to convey professionalism and credibility. Informal writing, on the other hand, is more relaxed and conversational in nature. It is commonly used in casual settings among friends, family, and informal contexts. Key characteristics of informal writing include conversational tone. Informal writing allows for a conversational tone, enabling you to connect with your audience on a personal level. Slang and colloquial expressions. Informal writing permits the use of slang, idioms, and colloquial expressions that add personality and authenticity to your writing. First-person point of view. Informal writing often employs the first-person point of view, allowing you to share personal experiences and opinions. Contractions. Contractions, such as can't instead of cannot, and I'm instead of I am, are commonly used in informal writing. Informal writing is prevalent in personal emails, text messages, blog posts, and social media updates. It allows you to connect with your audience in a more relatable and friendly manner. It's essential to select the appropriate writing style based on the context and purpose of your communication. Consider the following factors when deciding whether to use formal or informal writing. Audience. Analyze your audience and their expectations. Formal writing is suitable when communicating with professionals, professors, or in official settings. Informal writing is more appropriate when engaging with friends, family, or in casual contexts. Purpose. Determine the purpose of your writing. If the goal is to present information objectively, persuade, or provide an analysis, formal writing is often preferred. For personal anecdotes, opinions, or storytelling, informal writing allows for a more engaging approach. Context. Consider the context in which your writing will be read. If you're unsure, it's generally safer to lean towards a more formal style, especially in professional or academic environments. Remember, adapting your writing style to the situation showcases your language proficiency and cultural awareness. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the intricacies of formal and informal writing styles. By understanding the differences between these two styles, you can tailor your writing to suit any situation. Whether you're writing a professional report or an informal email to a friend, the ability to switch between formal and informal writing will empower you to express yourself effectively in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and watch your language skills soar. Until next time, happy writing, and take